guys, Dora Jimenez here, my cousin Cruz Barrera.
Hi guys.
Which her name is Hidalia. We're gonna be singing "Do You Want to Build a Snowman?" Okay. Elsa, do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman?
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye.
No, pause it. Pause it.
Do you want to build a snowman or ride a bike around the halls? I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the walls. Hang in there, John. It gets a little lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say have courage, and I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you. Just let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman?